Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to talk about how to copy a data from a PDF into an Excel. So let's say maybe you want to work with this data and you do not want to do that automatically. So to copy a data from from a PDF into an Excel, just go to Excel, click data, get data from a file, then from a PDF. So select your data and click import. So this is going to appear on your screen. Click table. Now click load. So this is your table. Let's zoom in. This is your table. So that's how you could copy a data from Excel into from a PDF into an Excel. So let's say maybe you want to remove this table here. So to remove this table, just simply select the data, left click, table, convert to range, and this is going to appear on your screen. Click OK. Now click any cell, go to home and click this small broom. Now just highlight the data like this. Yeah, so that's how you could remove a table from on a data, and that's what I had for you in this video, guys. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.